Hi folks, Chris Root here again, and today we got really something special. It's different. I don't think anybody's done this. We'll see. Okay? I'm going to make a quiche on the Blackstone Griddle. Yes, sir, a quiche. Wait till you see this. I don't know if it's going to work. First time I ever did it. Let's try it, okay? I know how to make quiches, and I know how to use the Blackstone Griddle, but do I know how to make a quiche on the Blackstone Griddle? We're going to find out. All right, let's get busy here. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is crack 5 eggs into my bowl. Oops, get that shell out of there. We don't need that shell. 4. 5. All right. Right. Okay, now I'm going to put in some unusual ingredients. I don't know if everybody uses this or not. So let's see here. All right, folks, I'm going to put in some half and half. Of course, the half and half is kind of important. You want to put that in there. I'm going to put in approximately 3/4 of a cup, approximately. A little less than a cup, okay? And I'm going to put in some ricotta cheese. I like ricotta, and this is whole, not low fat. It's whole. And whoops, let's put that aside. And we're going to see how that works. And let me move that out of the way. And first, besides the other cheese, I'm going to put in some Parmesan shredded cheese for the inside. I also am going to add some jack cheese on the bottom of the quiche. So let's go ahead and start this up and mix this up for a while. And I don't want to go fast at first, but we're going to get that all mixed up, and I might bring you back here. Okay, look at that. That thing is moving. Let's get a little faster. Let's beat this thing up. We're going to make some nice little... I'm going to get that so the ricotta is really mixed in. You know, that's a little bit tougher to get that ricotta mixed in. So we're going to keep on getting that mixed until that... Let's see how it looks. I think we got it all mixed. The mixture is pretty much complete. All right. Oh, yeah, get that out of the way. Okay, well, that is pretty much done. I'm going to bring you back, and we're going to get this crust going and get it on the griddle. All right, here we go. First things first, I'm going to get some Monterey Jack, and I'm going to pour it on the bottom of the quiche. Now this has been I put this pre-baked it a little bit in the oven, and I got that going at 425 for 10 minutes just to pre-bake it. And now I'm going to pour the egg mixture over that much. And that's it. Okay, so we're ready to go. Let's head out to the Blackstone Griddle for quiche, quiche, quiche. Okay, folks, here we are. Now, I got this well heated right here. I'm going to put it on. I have parchment paper on the bottom here, as you can see, and I also have it on high. I'm going to drop it down to low, and I think the secret of this whole thing is I'm going to cover it with that. I'm going to let it cook, and the pan I'm using. Let me show you. The pan I'm using is a thinner type baking pan. I think that it will cook thoroughly. Let's hope. Let's hope it will by just covering it like this. Let's find out. I'll give it a good. I'll keep checking it, but I'll give it a good half an hour. All right. See you then. Okay, folks, here we are. Let's see how it looks. Oh my, look at that. Let's test it. It came out clean. Came out clean. Okay, so let's take this off and set it down over here. All right. All right, folks. That looks pretty good. This quiche is ready to come out, actually. Still a little hot right there. Let's kind of. Oh, look at that. And the crust doesn't look burnt. Maybe a little bit, but well, that looks pretty darn good. Well, we're gonna take it in the house and see. I'm gonna have to let it rest though for a while. Let it cool off, and then we can cut into it and see how we did. All right, let's get back to the kitchen. All right, look at this. Well, I ended up cooking for about um, an hour um, until it was um, set, and that is set. Yeah, how nice is that? Well, I'm going to take a piece of it. It may not be cooled off all the way, but I just got to, because that's what we're doing here. We're finding out how this did. Oh, looky here. Let me get a plate. All right. Let's look at the bottom. Oh, that bottom, I'll show you, is not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'll show you again. It's just well done. And it's got the little creases in it. And it looks really nice. Let's take a little piece of this. All right, look at this. Oh my goodness gracious sakes alive. Let's try this out. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. It tastes, the crust is wonderful. And see if I can get that out again. That crust is just right. Wow. And the cheese and the ricotta, you can, and the Parmesan. Wow. It has a very unique taste to it. Not like I've ever had. This is pretty darn good. Mmm. Just one more. Just one more. Well, I think, let me move you back a little bit. I think this turned out pretty good. Uh, it shows that you can do almost anything on that Blackstone griddle. You really can. It may cook it a little bit different than in the oven. You know, there's no burnt on top. It didn't crust over the top, but it it did the crust. The crust was really good, and I think overall this is a success. And it goes to show you can cook almost anything on the Blackstone griddle. Okay, folks, I will see you next week, and thanks for watching. I appreciate it.